Get ready. Start. The undersigned is directed to say that it has been decided that all permanent civil government servants who are permitted to take up military service during the present emergency should be allowed to retain liens on their civil posts during the period of their absence on military service to enable them to return to their civil posts on release from military service. Full stop. Next para. Under the fundamental rules, a lien on the post temporarily held by a civil government servant cannot be granted. Full stop. It has been decided that temporary civil government servants who are permitted to take up military service should, if they so apply, be permitted to return to their civil posts on release from military service, provided those posts are still in existence at that time and the service rendered is approved military service. Full stop. Next para. It has further been decided in consultation with the Ministry of Finance that in the case of civil government servants who are permitted to take up military service during the present emergency, the period of their military service shall be treated as service outside the ordinary line for the purpose of the provision to FR 30, as a result of which they will be entitled to pro forma promotion in their present department under the next below rule, and also to seniority in higher posts to which they would otherwise have been entitled if they had not proceeded on military service. Full stop. Next para. In so far as the personnel serving in the Indian Audit and Accounts Department are concerned, these orders have been issued after consultation with the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Full stop. Next para. It has also been decided in consultation with the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of Defence that civil government servants who are permitted to take up military service during the present emergency shall be entitled to draw during military service the civil rates of pay and allowances which would have been admissible to them from time to time if they had not proceeded on military service, or the military rates of pay and allowances whichever are higher. Full stop. In the case of civil government servants who take up military service as JCOs, full stop, the civil rates of pay and allowances which would have been admissible to them from time to time shall, however, be reduced by rupees 25 per mensam on account of the free rations full stop, stop.